Guys, my name is Naveed and welcome to my YouTube channel. From today we are going to start the playlist where we will you can say understand what is Google Colab, why we are using Google Colab, what are the basic functionality that we can perform in Google Colab, how we can install machine learning libraries, what are the functionalities that Google Colab provide us so we can share our work with our team members, and how we can use Google GPU, TPU free of cost. So let's start. Today we will discuss what is Google Colab, why we are using Google Colab, so what are the benefits that Google Colab provide us. So first understand what is Google Colab. Actually, if you have used Jupyter Notebook previously, so you can quickly learn about Google Colab. Simply, if I say someone asks what is Google Colab, to the point answer, Google Colab is free Jupyter Notebook environment that run entirely in the cloud. So most importantly, it doesn't require a setup and notebook, so it already have installed some machine learning libraries, set up the environment for you. So you just need to run the code and perform the experiment. So what are the benefits of Google Colab? Why we are using Google Colab? So there are many benefits. We will discuss some benefits. First of all, we can simply we can run and execute in Python. We can document our code in very beautiful format. We can write our mathematical equations. Number three, we can create and share our notebook. Then we can also save the notebook from Google Drive and to Google Drive. We can import and publish notebooks from GitHub. Then we can import the external data set from Kaggle, from an you can say the external source online link. If you want, if you have data in your local drive, you can upload, you can connect your Google Drive with your Google Colab, and then you can perform experiment. So we can integrate easily all the deep learning, machine learning libraries like PyTorch, TensorFlow, Keras, OpenCV, and most important, it provides free cloud service, free GPU and TPU. So this is the benefit and why we are using. So I know you are very interesting about it. So that's it for today. In the next video, we'll learn how we can you can say create the notebook, how we can you can share the notebook. So that's it for today. If you like my video, click on subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Let's meet another video.